So, I was thinking about this idea you had last night, about eating out versus cooking at home.
Yeah, I think it can save a lot of money if you cook at home.
True, but there's more to it than just saving money. When you eat out, you also pay for the convenience and the taste.
But the cost of ingredients when you buy them in bulk is much lower.
That's true, but what about all the time and effort you need to put into preparing meals? Not everyone has that kind of time. And then there's cleaning up afterwards.
We could use more efficient tools like slow cookers or pressure cookers to save time.
Sure, those help, but let's not forget about the quality of food. Eating out gives you variety and sometimes better nutrition, because restaurants often have professional chefs who know how to balance flavors and nutrients. Plus, it's good to try different cuisines once in a while. Speaking of nutrition, have you thought about the nutritional value of homemade meals compared to what you get at a restaurant?
I guess homemade meals can be healthier since you control what goes into them.
Exactly. When you cook at home, you can choose fresh ingredients and avoid excessive salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Plus, you can make sure your diet is balanced with enough vegetables and whole grains.
But some restaurants offer healthy options too.
That's true, but many places add extra calories and sodium to make their food taste better. Also, portion sizes tend to be larger at restaurants, which can lead to overeating. At home, you can measure exactly how much you're eating.
It does seem like cooking at home gives more control over what we eat.
Definitely. And think about it this way. When you cook at home, you're also teaching yourself and your family about healthy eating habits. It's a great way to ensure everyone gets proper nutrition without having to worry about hidden additives or preservatives.
I see your point. Cooking at home seems like a healthier choice overall.
Absolutely. Oh, plus, it's a skill that benefits you in so many ways, not just health-wise, but also financially and personally. Learning to cook is empowering. You don't have to rely on others for every meal. That's a good point about the health benefits. But let's talk about time management too. How do you manage your time when it comes to meal preparation versus dining out?
Well, dining out can save a lot of time, especially after a long day at work.
Right, and that's where the convenience factor really shines through. Dining out means no grocery shopping, no cooking, and no cleanup. You just show up and eat.
Exactly. It's quick and easy.
On the other hand, cooking at home can take more time, but it might be worth it if you plan ahead. Batch cooking on weekends or using crock pots can save time during the week.
I've tried batch cooking before, and it does help a lot with saving time.
Definitely. It's all about finding a balance. If you cook once or twice a week in large batches, you can have leftovers for several days, which saves both time and money.
That makes sense. Planning meals in advance could really streamline things.
Absolutely. Meal planning is key. You can set aside specific times for grocery shopping and cooking, so it doesn't feel overwhelming. And once you get into the rhythm of it, it becomes easier to manage your schedule around meal prep. That's a good point about time management. Another aspect to consider is the environmental impact. Have you thought about how cooking at home versus dining out affects the environment?
I haven't really thought about it much, but I suppose there must be differences.
There definitely are. When you cook at home, you can control your waste better. You know exactly what goes into your meals and can reduce packaging waste by buying in bulk or choosing reusable containers.
That makes sense. Buying in bulk reduces packaging.
Exactly. Plus, you can compost food scraps instead of sending them to landfills. In contrast, restaurants often generate more waste due to single-use packaging and disposable utensils.
I see. So, cooking at home might be better for reducing waste.
Yes, and it also helps with energy consumption. Restaurants typically use more energy for lighting, heating, and cooling than a typical household kitchen would.
That's true. Cooking at home seems like it could have a smaller carbon footprint.
Definitely. And if you choose local ingredients, you're supporting local farmers and reducing the carbon emissions associated with transporting food over long distances. It's all about making conscious choices that benefit both you and the environment.